Hello and welcome to another lesson on managing Server 2003. Today we're going to discuss and perform an incremental backup. An incremental backup is a backup method in which multiple backups are kept, not just the last one. These backups will be incremental if each original piece of backed up information is stored only once, and then successive backups contain only the information that changed since a previous backup. Selected files with the archive attribute set are backed up to the destination media. The archive attribute is cleared. A normal incremental backup will back up only those files that have been changed since the last backup of any type. This provides the quickest means of backup since it makes only copies of the files that have not yet been backed up. For instance, following a full backup on Friday, Monday's backup will contain only those files changed since Friday. Tuesday's backup contains only those files changed since Monday, and so on. The downside to this is that in order to perform a full restore, one needs to restore the last normal full backup first, followed by each of the subsequent incremental backups to the present day in the correct order. Should any one of these backup copies be damaged, particularly the full backup, the restore will be incomplete. All right, let's see how we do this. Open my Windows Server 2003, and there we go. Find the Start menu. All right, we need to open the Backup utility and then click the Backup tab. Programs, Accessories, System Tools, Backup. All right, here's my Backup utility. We'll open the Backup tab, and from the Job menu choose Load Selections to load Finance Backup selections. We have a pre-made file for this example. Choose Load Selections from Job, which I did. To load Finance Backup selections. In the Backup Media or File Name box, type :backup incremental day2.bkf. Open this first. Down here we're going to go :backup incremental day2.bkf. Click Start Backup. Click Advanced and select Incremental as the backup type. Backup type, Incremental. And then we will start the backup. When complete, confirm that no errors have occurred. So we'll go Start Backup. Takes a minute or two. Anytime now. All right, backup is complete, and we'll look at the report. We see that the backup type was incremental, and there were two files that were copied, and no errors are apparent. So we'll close the report. We'll close out the backup utility, and now we'll examine the folder from Windows Explorer. Open up the Finance folder. And there's our projections file. And notice also that none of the files in the finance folder have their attributes set. So we'll go ahead and make some file changes to the projection, the projections file. And we'll notice now that projections.txt has been changed and has the archive attribute set. Now, assuming this was the next day and we were going to perform another incremental backup, we just repeat the process. We go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, Backup, Backup tab, Job, Load Selections, which is this guy right here, and we will call our file for today Backup Incremental Day 3. We will click Start Backup and Advanced, and the type of backup will be incremental. We will select OK and Start Backup. Backup is complete. We'll look at the report, and in this case we backed up one file. That was the only one that had changed, and it type was incremental, and again no errors apparent. So we have completed our second incremental backup, and you can understand then from seeing this how it progresses. And then also you have a separate backup file for each time you do an incremental backup. So you store multiple backups, not just a single backup. And then to restore, of course, you have to do the full normal backup, and then sequentially you back up in order in which they were done. Each incremental backup is restored. Anyway, that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening to another in the series of Managing Server 2003.